Are you looking for the top 5 best microfiber spray mop for floor cleaning? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best microfiber spray mop for floor cleaning on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1, O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. Affordable, eco-friendly and lightweight, the O-Cedar spray mop allows you to efficiently clean hardwood or tile floors without the mess of pre-moistened disposable pads. The ProMist Max features a dual-sided microfiber pad that velcros securely. The mop head can be washed up to 100 times. A water bottle-like removable tank allows for endless refills of water or your favorite floor cleaner, saving money and plastic waste. Our tester liked that the tank was large enough to hold water or cleaner for a few weeks before needing to refill it. We found that using a cleaning solution makes a big difference in how clean the floors feel and results in a streak-free finish. A hand-triggered sprayer means no hassle with cords or batteries and leaves you in control of how much moisture hits the floor. One downside to the mop relying solely on manual power, though, is that, during testing, we found that some scrubbing and pressure helps remove especially stubborn spots that a simple once-over just can't get. This mop is a great option for families, pet parents and hardwood, vinyl, laminate, or tile floor homeowners who want a simple, budget-friendly, natural cleaning solution. Number 2, O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. This isn't like any traditional mop and bucket situation you've tried before. The O-Cedar EasyWring features a refillable, machine-washable microfiber pad that effortlessly glides across any floor surface, picking up dirt, dust and grime in its path. Our tester noted that no pressure or scrubbing was needed to get up even the stickiest, oldest stains. A foot pedal-powered bucket system quickly wrings out the dirty mop head so that you never have to touch it. Because microfiber dries faster than cotton, the mop head doesn't leave floors soaking wet. Microfiber also does a better job of picking up and holding anything the vacuum leaves behind, resulting in a deeper clean. Our tester appreciated the adjustable mop handle height, allowing the mop to reach farther under furniture and in corners. When filled with water, the bucket was heavy and a bit cumbersome, which is something to consider if you have a large surface area to clean. You'll also need to keep refilling the bucket with water and carrying it with you as you clean, which may not be ideal for all users. Also, because the system is larger than others we tested, storage could be an issue for those living in smaller spaces. Number 3, Mr.Siga Microfiber Desk Mop, with a dual-sided pad for dusting and waxing, and a budget-friendly price. This Mr.Siga Dust Mop is a great choice if your home has mostly hardwood floors. An initial clean with the duster side of the pad will pick up any loose debris that can easily be scraped off with the included comb, before flipping the pad over to finish polishing with the plush waxing pad. 3 mop pads are included, each capable of withstanding up to 100 washes, meaning you won't need to replace them very often in making this mop a very eco-friendly option. Our tester found that using a gentle, homemade cleaning solution of cast-out soap and water helped tremendously in scrubbing up dry dirt and scuff marks. Thanks to 2 sturdy clamps, the mop pad stayed put, even when extra pressure was applied. Number 4, Mr.Siga Professional Microfiber Mop. Though Mr.Siga wasn't an immediately recognizable brand, we were delightfully surprised by the excellent job its professional microfiber mop did in testing. We found that this tall mop with an adjustable stainless steel telescoping handle had great reach under dusty couches and around table legs. The very wide rectangular mop head with a 360-degree swivel action meant less work on large floors, since with fewer swipes and greater maneuverability, we got our dusting and wet mopping jobs done quickly. At first, we were stumped on how to moisten the cleaning cloth, but a bit of online research taught us a few tricks for microfiber mops. Simply wet the cloth, roll it up to wring it out, then attach it to the mop head base. The cloths are reusable, just toss in the washing machine to launder. A handy dirt scrubber attachment is included, and the mop can be used on a variety of surfaces, including marble, tile, and laminate, as well as hardwood. Number 5, Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Sweeping and Mopping Kit. When quick, convenient floor cleaning is the order of the day, a disposable mop cloth may be the best solution. Swiffer offers this kit with the necessary pieces to get floors clean fast. The mop itself, 4 dry heavy-duty refills, 3 wet heavy-duty refills, 10 dry sweeping cloths, and 2 wet mopping pads. For the most part, we were impressed by this inexpensive, lightweight, and complete floor cleaning system. Swiffer's 360-degree swivel action made hard-to-reach places easier to access, and its easy grip handle kept the unit from slipping away while mopping. During tests, we found that the heavy-duty wet pad captured a lot of tough grime on our wood floors. Note that these pads should not be used on unsealed wood floors. On the downside, however, was the strong and somewhat lingering proprietary scent. Also, occasionally the pad popped out of the mop head for no apparent reason. Keep in mind that the wet refill should only be used to maintain sealed wood floors.